Hello, students. So today we're going to talk about some strategies we can use to compare fractions. With a word problem. Dulce and Giovanni both got the same size pizza. Giovanni has 7/8 of his pizza left on his plate. Dulce has 3/4 of her pizza left on her plate. Who has more pizza left on their plate? So first I'm going to highlight the important information that I see in this word problem. So I see that Giovanni has 7/8 of his pizza left on his plate, and Dulce has 3/4 of her pizza left on her plate. So let's just take a look at these fractions. We have 7/8, and 3/4. And I need to figure out which of these fractions is greater. I'm noticing that they both have different numerators and that they both have different denominators. I think I'm going to have to draw a picture to really understand this problem. So let's see. I have two pizzas here that are the same size. I knew that Dulce cut her pizza into 4 equal pieces because when I look at the word problem, it says Dulce has 3/4 of her pizza left on her plate. The denominator tells me that she cut her pizza into 4 equal pieces. Giovanni cut his pizza into 8 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know this because the denominator of the fraction left on his plate is 8, and that tells me that he cut his pizza into 8 equal pieces. But I want to show 3/4 and 7/8. So let's see. I want to show that Dulce has 3/4 left on her plate. So I need to take away 1 slice of pizza. So now I can see that Dulce has 1, 2, 3 out of the 4 slices left on her plate. I'm going to write that down. 3/4. And I can see that the missing piece was equal to 1/4 of the whole pizza. Now with Giovanni, let's go back to the word problem. 7/8 of his pizza was left on his plate. So let's see. I'm going to try to take away 1 slice of Giovanni's pizza. Let's see what that leaves me with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that leaves me with 7/8 of his pizza left on his plate. And I know that this missing piece of pizza is equal to 1/8. So 1/8 of Giovanni's pizza is missing from his plate. Now I can look at this a couple different ways. The first thing I can do is look at the pizza remaining on the plate. I can see pretty clearly that Giovanni has more pizza left on his plate, and Dulce has less pizza left on her plate than Giovanni. I can also look at the size of the missing pieces. Giovanni's missing piece is less than Dulce's missing piece. That means more of Dulce's pizza is missing from her plate, which really means Dulce has less pizza left over on her plate. So I can see pretty clearly now that I would draw my symbol like this, because the question was, who has more pizza left on their plate? So I see Giovanni has a greater amount of pizza left on his plate than Dulce. I'm just going to type my answer in here. So Giovanni's plate has more pizza. I always want to state my answer. Let's go to the next one. Or well, let's just talk about that strategy actually. So that was our first strategy, comparing the leftover or missing pieces. So we compared the leftover here and we compared the missing pieces here.